Trial twist: Lindsay Clancy's pill use under scrutiny. Ex-husband testifies. In a significant development in the Lindsay Clancy murder trial, prosecutors are actively challenging the defense's portrayal of her as overmedicated. Her ex-husband, Patrick Clancy, recently testified about the numerous psychiatric medications prescribed to Lindsay in the months leading up to the tragic deaths of their 3 young children. However, under cross-examination, Patrick acknowledged that many of these prescriptions were only partially used, with several pill bottles still containing a significant number of pills. Assistant District Attorney Shanan Buckingham pressed Patrick on this, asking if it was correct that a lot of pills were prescribed but not a lot of pills taken. Patrick conceded it was possible, based on the evidence presented from the police station. Buckingham further sought to differentiate between the total number of medications prescribed over several months and the number Lindsay was taking at any given time, suggesting she was rarely prescribed more than 2 or 3 medications concurrently, and often only 2. Patrick found this not particularly surprising. This aggressive questioning appears to be a calculated move by the prosecution. Legal experts, like former federal prosecutor Nima Ramarni, suggest it's designed to preempt the defense's argument that a cocktail of medications led to Lindsay Clancy's alleged psychosis. Ramarni notes that a good prosecutor anticipates defense arguments aiming to present this potentially damaging evidence, the unused pills, before the defense can frame it. The prosecution aims to argue that Lindsay and her doctors were trying to improve her condition, and the fact that she wasn't on numerous medications simultaneously challenges the defense's narrative. The defense maintains that Lindsay was suffering from psychosis and was therefore not criminally responsible for the deaths of Carter, Dorson, and Callan in January of 2023. Conversely, prosecutors portray her as a calculated killer, alleging she meticulously planned the killings by sending her husband on errands to create a window of opportunity before she strangled each child with an exercise band and then attempted suicide. While defense attorney Kevin Reddington has conceded that Clancy killed the children, he argues the central issue for the jury is understanding her state of mind at the time. Lindsay Clancy, a former labor and delivery nurse, has pleaded not guilty to 3 counts each of murder and strangulation. The court has emphasized that the Commonwealth must prove beyond a reasonable doubt that Clancy was criminally responsible for the children's deaths.